So this is bleeding the boiler, I'm sorry, not boiler, furnace. The oil, heating oil ran dry. We had to have it refilled and it needs to be bled. So what happens is now is we need to bleed it. No big deal. So what happens is there's this little valve down here, kind of hard to see. And then that's just loosened, a little wrench. I think this one was 3/8. And then what happens is it will bleed. It's a little wet there, it's not oil. And push the air out. So the reset button on top will prime it. So I'll go ahead and hit that. And then we'll start to see oil come out of it. And it's kind of just dribbling there. There's so much air in the line. So we want that to be a steady stream. Like now it's starting to get better with the steady stream. We want there to be almost solid. It's looking a lot better there. All right, I think that one would qualify for it. So we don't. Oh, looks like we got plenty of oil on the ground too, which is unfortunate. But so what we'll do now is we're gonna go ahead and restart the process, and without having any oil slip in, we're gonna go ahead and tighten up the bolt. So I can't do that with the two hands. I need two hands for that. But anyway, I'm not sure I can find a pivot point for this. It's easy to see. Maybe. Easier to see, not the easiest. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wrench up here on this thing before I have it. I'm gonna restart the process. Now I'm gonna tighten. And keep tightening. Oh, spillage. It's a tough spot to get into. Looks like it's furnace is kicked on too. It's almost there. It's not quite tight enough, so I need to do it a couple more times. So I get my wrench ready. Hit reset. Oh, it's in a lockout, so it needs a few seconds to do everything. So it's a good thing I have the newspaper down here and some paper towels because it can get messy. So let's get ready again. Okay, that should be it. I'm gonna drop the tool into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it's one more tight there. Alright, I can reuse some of this oil and clean the rest up. Alright, cool.